Hello students, in human health and diseases, today we will discuss about adolescence, addiction and drug abuse. Let us see about the adolescence. The word adolescence is derived from Latin word that is adolescere, which means to grow up. So adolescence is a transitional stage of physical and mental development of human. It is the period between puberty and adulthood. Especially adolescence is the period between 13 to 19 years. It is a phase of development of many fronts like sexual and reproductive maturity, mental development, adult identity and transition from socio-economics and emotional dependent to relative independence. Adolescence is divided in three stages, that is early period of 10 to 14 years, middle period of 15 to 17 years, and third stage is late period, it is of 18 to 19 years. So in early period, the changes includes beginning of the appearance of secondary sexual characters, growth reaches to its maximum, rapid physical growth, concrete thinking, defining boundaries of dependence, self-exploration, developing body image, development of intense friendship, seeking to counter instability and evaluation. These are the changes of first stage of adolescence. The second stage is middle period. It is of 15 to 17 years. This period is characterized by almost complete full development of secondary sexual characters. Growth shows down. Approximately 95% of the adults' stature it attain. Thinking is more abstract. Concrete thinking under stressful conditions. Re-establishing of body image. Capable of long-range thinking. Sense of leadership. Ability testing to attract opposite sex. Peer group helps defining behavioral code. These are the changes of middle period. The third stage is late period. This period is characterized by establishment of total physical maturity, established abstract thinking, intellectual and functional identity, stable relationship, and change from childhood to adulthood relationship. Let us see some physical changes of adolescence. First, growth spurt. It occurs in both boys and girls. In boys, muscle develops, skin becomes oily, broadening of shoulders, cracking of voice, development of underarm and chest hair, pubic hair, facial hair, enlargement of penis and testes. The changes in the girls, development of breast, widening of the hip, development of underarm and pubic hair, enlargement of uterus and ovaries. Second is sexual development. In this development, sex organs matures and enlarge. Erection of penis in boys. There is a production of sperm, ejaculation, process of ovulation and menstruation starts in females. Initiation of sexual behavior. Third type of changes are emotional and social changes. This includes establishing own identity, fantasy, daydreaming, attaining seeking behavior, emotional instability, full of energy, sexual attraction, rapid mood changes, conflicts with family, behavioral code, self-exploration and evaluation, formation of new relationship, and peer pressure. Now, mental health and adolescence. Many of the emotional and social changes have implications on the mental health. The mental health implication includes confusion, irritation, moodiness, frustration, nausea, less concentration, hyperactivities, anger, effects on the lifestyle like obesity, addictions, accidents leading to ill health. The mental illness is in terms of different forms of depression like insomnia and loss of energy. Thus, the mental illness is associated with psychological or behavior manifestation. These are broadly classified as either psychosis or neurosis. The psychosis leads to Alzheimer's disease, schizophrenia, depressive psychosis. The neurosis includes schizophrenia, illusions, and hallucinations. The treatment of such disorders should be preferentially with non-pharmacological approach with due respect to rights of children. World Health Organization has recommended evidence-based guidelines under the Mental Health Gap Action Program, that is MHGAP. The next unit is addiction. Addiction is physical and mental dependence of body on non-useful substances, or this is a complex condition which is characterized by compulsive use of substances despite of its harmful consequences. So addiction may involve the use of substances or drugs such as alcohol, opioids, cocaine, nicotine, and other behaviors such as gambling. The addiction overall results in the impairment of physical, physiological, and psychological functions of the body. Control methods or control measures of drug abuse. Before that, I would like to tell you some causes of addictions. The causes includes insufficient parental supervision and monitoring, lack of communication between child and parents, poorly defined rules, family conflicts, favorable parental attitudes towards the alcohol and drug use, then expectations from drug use, risk-taking behavior. These are the different causes of addictions. Now see how to control drug addictions. The first measure is prevention is better than cure. Always remember, the prevention is better than cure. Avoid under pressure. In this, a child should not be forced to perform beyond his capacity in studies, sports, and other activities. Then, education and counseling of child to face problem and stress to accept disappointments and failures as a part of life. Drugs abuse. Use of drugs and alcohol is called as drugs abuse. Surveys and statistics shows that use of drugs and alcohol has been on the rise, especially among the youth. The drugs which are commonly abused are opioids, cannabinoids, and alkaloids of coca. The first category of drug is opioids. These drugs binds to the opioid receptors which are present in the central nervous system and gastrointestinal tract. Heroin is a chemically diacetyl morphine. This is extracted from the latex of poppy plant. Heroin is depressant and slow down the activity of body. This is the role of opioid. Second category of drug is cannabinoids. Interact with receptors which are present in brain. Inhalation and ingestion of these substances affects the cardiovascular system. These are obtained from inflorescence and the parts of cannabis sativa. Charas and ganja are other different forms of drugs obtained from this plant. Third category of drug is cocaine. This is an alkaloid obtained from the coca plants, especially Erythroxylum coca. The cocaine increases the level of neurotransmitter dopamine. Its excessive dose can cause extreme happiness and irritability. Hallucinogens are the mind-expanding drugs. These are alkaloids causing the daydreaming. Lysergic acid and cannabis are hallucinogenic substances. Now see about the addiction and dependence. Addiction is psychological attachment to certain effects such as euphoria and temporary feeling of well-being associated with drugs and alcohol. This drives people to take them even when these are not needed or even when their use becomes self-destructive. With repeated use of drugs, the tolerance level of the receptor present in our body increases. The dependence is the tendency of body to manifest the characteristic and unpleasant withdrawal syndrome if regular dose of drug is abruptly discontinued. The drug or alcohol abuse can cause the effects on the body. Excessive dose of drugs may lead to coma and death due to respiratory failure, heart failure, or cerebral hemorrhage. A combination of drugs or their intake along with alcohol generally results in overdose and even death also. The most common warning signs of drug and alcohol abuse among the youth includes drop in academic performance, unexplained absence from the school and college, lack of interest in the personal hygiene, withdrawal, isolation, depression, fatigue, aggressive behavior, loss of interest in the hobbies, then changes in sleeping and eating habits, etc. Those who take the drugs intravenously, that is direct injection into veins using a needle, they are likely to acquire serious infections like HIV and hepatitis B.